Subscribe to Highest Good, where we tell you your future.
Hi Pisces, how have you been? On Monday, the projects you have been working very diligently can now be made public. The uniqueness of your work will be known and respected by all when it will be opened up. People working in the education, finance and banking sector will perform well in their respected areas. Today will be a good day to go for an investment related to property or savings. Couples will resolve their misunderstandings, whereas singles will wait for someone special. You will earn more than expected. Your skin may contract some infection today. You need to be calculative. Though you may wish to spend money buying gifts for your loved one, you may end up being a miser. Don't worry about what you get, but how much you give, as the joy of giving is more powerful than that of receiving. On Tuesday, work in a team to get desired results on professional front. Implement bright ideas at work. Expect a lovely surprise from your love. Appreciate his or her love towards you. Take care of your health, as it might get affected due to headache. If you are planning to propose anyone, your proposal is likely to get accepted today, predicts your horoscope. Parents will support you in your decision. Do what makes you happy rather than pleasing everyone, otherwise you will end up with bad temperament. Jupiter feels that today your approach towards money matters will be more pragmatic, which will help you to achieve desired financial targets in relatively shorter term. On Wednesday, though situations in the office may bother you, your colleagues will be really supportive. This will not only help you to maintain better relations with them, but also a better understanding of the system. Job seekers will feel a little demotivated because of no desirable outcomes. You will have an insight about your valuable position at your workplace. What you need to stay healthy is plenty of sunlight, fresh air and moderate exercise. Pregnant ladies need to be strict with their liquid intake. On Thursday, you can expect rise in income due to good performance at work. Look out for new opportunities for extra financial gain. Your pleasant personality will attract others. Put your new and innovative ideas in front of your boss at work. Expect great opportunities. Artists will get good projects. Those who are seeking for job opportunities might get a good offer today. If you are looking out to start a family, today will be a good day to conceive. Financial life will remain stable for the day. You will feel realistic today and tend to analyze everything from a practical point of view, as you want to make some tangible gains. However, you also need to focus on work. Prioritize your work if needed. Remember, preparation is half the battle won. On Friday, you can relax as the pressure will reduce noticeably at the workplace. Unexpected financial rewards are indicated for the day. This is a day to invest money in long-term investments. Married couples will have a great time together. Go for a walk early morning and maintain your physical well-being. Singles will spend time with their friends discussing about their past experiences. Some of you will visit your maternal grandmother's home to relish the delicious food made by her. You will feel realistic today and tend to analyze everything from a practical point of view, as you want to make some tangible gains. However, you also need to focus on work. You need to prioritize your work. On Saturday, your leadership qualities might take you to a top position. Expect financial gain and prosperity. Your partner will shower you with lots of love and affection. Think logically when you deal with problems at work. Surround yourself with people who motivate you. Don't hesitate in purchasing items for luxury. You have earned this from your constant work and dedication. Treat yourself with a good gift. Positivity will take you far away. This is the right time to think about putting a sum aside in some fixed deposit schemes or in something that gives you regular returns. You will not be in a mood to take financial risks. On Sunday, you have to be involved in multiple affairs along with a hectic work schedule. Consequently, you have to cut out on your work, which will prove to be fatal for you in future. Try to be honest and open with your partner and just enjoy the time you have. Try to get a full body massage or spend time at a spa to stimulate your body and soul. Realize the importance of self-healing and the pace of time. Children are advised to be careful while playing outside. You are likely to experience a close relationship with your partner. You may nurture this relationship by exhibiting an enduring passion. After all, nothing is wrong in expressing true love. Your love life will turn blissful tonight.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.